Hello, I'm Harvey from Lloyd Land Rover in Stockton. Today we've got a very nice example of a Defender 90 in stock. This one in particular is a HSE X-Dynamic. It's also a 3-litre diesel finished in Hakuba Silver. It looks absolutely stunning. Starting at the front, you can see, being a finished in Hakuba Silver, you do have the contrasting black exterior pack, which is an added option. That's the black badging, the black grille and all the exterior detailing points. Also, being an X-Dynamic, you do get all these gloss black trims around the edges of the vehicle. 20-inch silver sparkle alloy wheels to complement that paint colour very nicely. And then if we come all the way to the rear, one big selling point on this car, which a lot of Defender customers want to see, is that electronically deployable tow bar. If we open the rear up, this can be activated from the rear as well as stowed in the cockpit as well. This car does come with the added extra, again, of air suspension, which once again can be adjusted from the rear and the front. If we close that and we just jump into the front of the car and we'll go through some of the technology. Now this one is the 5-seater variant of the Defender 90. If we look inside and turn the music down, one of the big selling points of the HSE is that it comes with a sliding panoramic roof. We'll just turn that down. Dual zone climate control, air suspension, all features to have. Heated steering wheel. If we look in here as well, you've got extra storage. Ebony perforated leather with no clear signs of wear and tear. And again, being a 5-seater variant, you do get 3 seats in the back. So again, should you be looking for a nicely spec'd HSE Defender 90, look no further. This is priced to sell, ready to go for immediate delivery. Feel free to inquire online or call us on 01642 644 444.